Hello everyone and welcome back to IT Master Tech News channel. Today I will show you the smartwatch which costs $40 on Amazon, and this new brand called TouchElex, and they have different watches, but this is the one that came up first and they will have more soon. It's a round square shaped device and with oxygen, heart rate monitor, IP68 with 1.52 inch display. This display is not an OLED, so that's why it has such a cheap price. So for its price it is good. Let's see, this is something new and I even never saw it, and there is no reviews for this watch. Let's unbox and see what we get. So nice presentation, good packaging. It is a TouchElex logo. It's a black color with black stripes, silicone stripes. Here we have 14 sport modes and blood oxygen monitor, heart rate sensor and sleep monitor. Other side we have HD color screen, which is, I said you, it's a LCD screen. And other than message amplifier and manometric watch faces. Here we have Technology Industrial product Sirius smartwatch. This is the name of this model. Input 5 watt, fitness watch, 1 USB watt charger cable, user manual. Made in China. And here is the model, TouchElex Sirius smartwatch, tracker fitness, new model. Let's go and unbox this, see what we have inside. Okay, I don't like to tear down, so I always use this method to not break the packaging. Okay, here is the watch. Let's put it here. Then going inside, there is a guide how to use your watch. As usual, lot of different combinations, application. Here is the charger. It's a classic magnetic charger with USB. And here it is, watch itself. Back is hard plastic. Here is the heart rate monitor and the oxygen sensors. Let's take this off. Okay, here it's how it's look like. The rubber is very nice, good quality. This it's not plastic, it's a metal, that's good. And we have only one button here. Let's see if there is a charge. So we can, yeah, it is. So it's put it very fast. Scan code to download the application. Okay, let me bring the Samsung phone and we can continue. So I've managed to download the TouchElex application for this watch. Let's see experience now. And okay, done, allow, agree, done, allow while using app, agree and continue. It's loading something. Let's see what is loading. Yeah, it's a region. So it's asking for registration. Okay, we are now registered, so it's asked for nickname. Let's put it DDD. And then mail. Next. So this is, let's put something like this, doesn't matter. So put metric. It asks for your, let's see, like this, 77. And set goals as usual. Save and binding device. So watch products, Sirius. Okay. Improve accuracy. Okay. Make sure your device is turned on and close your phone. It is turned on and close to my phone. Okay, it's wound. Binding. Let's see what's the next. Okay, pair with this device. Okay. Start using. Very easy, very fast. Okay, complete. Hello, done. Okay, this is the interface of the application. Workout records, sleep, heart rate monitor, SpO2, calories, and this is your profile. Incoming calls, you can set water reminder, stand up reminder, alarms, message notifications, heart rate monitoring, sensors, 24 hours, and more settings. Okay, let's see what is the, let me put on the worst real quick so we can see how it looks like. Just bear with me. Okay, it is pretty good. Very nice sitting on the worst. Okay, this is how it looks like on my worst. And this is the default watch face. By pushing this button, we are having this menu. This is the workout. It is very responsive compared what it is. Very responsive. Okay, clock back. Then what is this? Calories. And you can click there, go to back. This is for music. You can control your music. Sleep monitoring. Heart rate monitor. Let's see how this accurate. Yeah, it is good. 83. Okay, going back. So this is no. So let's see. Oxygen. You need to be very steady to see if it is working accurate. And you can get this watch from Amazon, very fast shipping. It's $39.99 US. Very lightweight. Can be your sport tracker. It is more the sport tracker rather than smartwatch. And it's very lightweight. So 97%, which is pretty good. Blood oxygen. This one is the weather. This is a Fahrenheit, you can change it. And this one is a stop timer. So there are other menu here. So this is the timer. Tap to turn on. It's acting as a flashlight. And So drawing left, it shows your widgets here, and from left it's the same. Let's from down to up, it shows you screen brightness. This is 4, 5, maximum is 5, but I think 4 will be good. Settings, watch faces. Let's see what we have. These are the watch faces pre-installed, but I think the application will have more than that. So here we sync the watch face. So it is looks beautiful for this type of watch, and there are a lot of other watch faces here you can find in the application gallery as usual for other smartwatches and sport trackers. And this is actually the quick unboxing of the review on the TouchElex Sirius watchwear and the sport tracker. You can get it through the Amazon. I will leave the link down description. Please click, share, and like my channel if you find this video useful. Thanks again for watching this. Peace, guys. See you in the next one.